If you're considering Social Champ for your social media management and analytics needs, here are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. We'll break down the pros and cons, comparing it with other tools in the market to help you make an informed choice. First thing you need to know is that Social Champ offers a wide range of features, including scheduling, content management, and analytics. It's pretty competitive in the space, especially when compared to other tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, which also offer similar scheduling features. However, Social Champ shines with its user-friendly interface, which makes it easier for new users to jump in without a steep learning curve. Next thing you should consider is the pricing structure. Social Champ offers tiered plans starting with a free version for smaller users. However, unlike Buffer, which tends to get pricier for higher tier plans, Social Champ's paid plans are relatively affordable, making it a solid option for small to medium-sized businesses. The third thing is the variety of social networks it supports. Social Champ is great at integrating with platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Pinterest. If you're someone who needs to manage multiple accounts across various platforms, Social Champ can be a useful tool. It's worth noting that tools like Sprout Social and Hootsuite offer similar integrations, but Social Champ stands out for its ease of use. The fourth thing is the analytics and reporting features. Social Champ offers in-depth analytics, which makes tracking your performance across social media platforms easier. This is where it competes well with others in the market, especially compared to options like Later, which are often considered more limited in reporting. The fifth thing you should know is that Social Champ's automation is impressive. It allows you to schedule posts, repost content, and even manage content approval, which can save you a lot of time. If automation is a priority for you, Social Champ does this better than some of its competitors, like Buffer, which has limited post-automation options. Sixth thing, Social Champ is designed for team collaboration. With features like user roles and permissions, teams can work together smoothly. This is something that platforms like Hootsuite and Sprout Social offer, but Social Champ tends to be more budget-friendly for teams with limited resources. Next thing, the customer support. Social Champ offers 24/7 support, and from user reviews, it's clear that their support team is responsive and helpful. This sets it apart from some competitors where response times can be a bit longer, especially with lower tier plans. The eighth thing is that Social Champ integrates with various third-party apps, such as Google Drive, Canva, and more. While other tools like Hootsuite and Buffer offer integrations, Social Champ's affordable plans make this feature more accessible. Now, the ninth thing to note is the content calendar feature. Social Champ's content calendar lets you plan your posts well in advance, ensuring your content schedule is organized. If you've used tools like Buffer, you may find this feature particularly handy, as it's just as good, if not better. The 10th thing is the mobile app. Social Champ's mobile app is easy to use and allows you to manage posts on the go. It's comparable to apps from other tools like Later or Hootsuite, although Social Champ's design tends to be more intuitive. The 11th thing is the ability to manage multiple social media profiles. If you're managing a large number of accounts, Social Champ offers bulk scheduling, which is a huge time saver. While other platforms offer bulk scheduling, Social Champ's implementation is streamlined, making it easier to schedule posts across different accounts without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, you should know that Social Champ provides a free trial of its premium plans, which is an excellent way to test its features without commitment. While some competitors offer limited free trials, Social Champ gives you the chance to dive into its full set of features to see if it's right for you. So, Social Champ is a solid option for social media management and analytics, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. If you're looking for a tool that's easy to use, cost-effective, and offers a wide range of features, it's worth considering. But if you're looking for a more advanced solution with better reporting and automation, check out our recommended tool, which you can try for free to see if it fits your needs.